This is the Pajama Cardinal. It is a type of very small saltwater reef fish that's native to a bunch of areas in the Pacific Ocean, including areas around Japan as well as the Great Barrier Reef and a couple other places. Pajama cardinals typically live in decently large schools, and they do have a very actually interesting social structure within these schools. Observed mostly in captivity, since these guys are quite a popular aquarium fish due to them being very interesting, rather friendly, and a very cool looking fish. But the schools have a pretty strong hierarchy with these specific fish at the top and then some lower levels in the social structure itself. These fish are also socially monogamous, meaning within the school there are a couple bonded pairs, usually a male and female that have like a special attachment to each other and are usually a mating pair. Quite often the reproduction is also monogamous, but not always. Sometimes females will mate with multiple different males and vice versa. However, the males of the species are called mouth brooders, so after the eggs are laid and then fertilized, the male Pajama Cardinal will carry them in its mouth until all of the eggs hatch into the larval Pajama Cardinal, at which point they will swim away to develop into the full adult form of the fish. However, since the Pajama Cardinals are not always monogamous, the males can end up carrying the offspring of multiple different males in its mouth, along with its own offspring as well, which is pretty interesting, and it's a very cool social behavior because the social behavior of fish are not that often talked about. Like I said, these guys are very popular saltwater aquarium fish, and as far as I'm aware, most of them are captive bred and not captured from the wild, which is good. And while saltwater aquariums themselves tend to be rather difficult, especially for beginners, this appears to be a decently easy saltwater fish to care for.